Hi, in this video, don't skip any part, like and subscribe to my channel. Recently, in the latest update on WhatsApp, you can now link 4 different devices to your WhatsApp account, which is a significant update and contains some risks. Let's explain what it is. Without further ado, to open your WhatsApp account from multi-device as follow. Today, we need to explain more than one phone. This is the first mobile iPhone, and it has the main WhatsApp account. This is it. Now, in the other hand, Android mobile. I want to open my main account in the new way linking. Open it. As you can see, I installed the cloned WhatsApp here, which is new, with no account activated. Choose your language. Next. Agree and continue. Now here, don't put any number. Just click on these 3 dots up here. Then choose Link to existing account. And this page will be opened and contain a scan code. Now we are done here with the second phone. Now back to the first mobile main WhatsApp account. Here on iPhone, we need to open the settings to find linked devices. If your main account is on an Android device, you'll find the linked devices as shown in the screenshot. Let's back to the iPhone settings. Now here, click on Link Devices. Then tap on Link a Device here. Now you need to confirm that you are in the device owner. Click OK. Click OK again. Now it tells us you have to scan the code on the second phone. Press OK. Then direct to the primary phone to scan the code on the second phone. Now, as we can see here, immediately now, WhatsApp has been opened on the second device, and it's the same chats on both devices as you can see. Finally, the important thing, to see the devices linked with your account, again, go to the settings, then linked devices. Here you'll find all associated devices, and you can choose any of them, then click on Logout, then Confirm. That's it. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.